Editing excellence. Removing redundant pairs. Hello learners. In today's lesson, we're diving into one of the most crucial editing techniques: removing redundant pairs. If you've ever wondered how to make your writing crisp, concise, and straight to the point, you're in the right place. By eliminating unnecessary words, you make your message clearer and your writing more powerful. Let's get started. Redundant pairs occur when we use two words together, but one of those words is unnecessary because the meaning is already clear with just one of them. For instance, advance warning is redundant because a warning is inherently in advance. Here, advance is superfluous. Here are a few common examples. Free gift. All gifts are free. End result. A result is the end of a process. Past history. History refers to past events. By identifying and removing such redundancies, your writing becomes leaner and clearer. 1. Read aloud. Sometimes, your ears can catch what your eyes miss. Redundancies often sound repetitive when spoken. 2. Ask questions. For each pair of words, ask if one word's meaning is already implied by the other. For example, in final conclusion, isn't a conclusion always final? 3. Peer review. Ask someone else to read your work. A fresh pair of eyes can easily spot repetitive words or phrases. Let's try to spot and correct the redundancies in the following sentences. 1. She made a brief summary of the report. 2. Correction. She made a summary of the report. 3. My personal opinion is that the movie was great. 4. Correction. My opinion is that the movie was great. 5. The two twins went to the park. 6. Correction. The twins went to the park. Remember, by eliminating these redundant pairs, you make your writing more precise and effective. That's a wrap on redundant pairs. Now that you know how to spot and eliminate them, your writing will be more streamlined and impactful. I hope you found this lesson helpful. Keep practicing, and soon, cutting out redundancies will become second nature. Happy editing!